In today's video, I'm going to teach you to enhance your audio setup using OBS Studio. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just getting started, optimizing your audio can make a world of difference. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to make your audio crisp, clear, and professional. First, let's head over to OBS Studio, the software that will be our main tool today. OBS Studio is a free and open source option that's perfect for recording and live streaming. If you haven't already, make sure you've downloaded and installed OBS Studio. Once you have it ready, go ahead and open the application. Navigating the main interface is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it offers a suite of features that are perfect for refining your audio outputs. Now focus your attention on the audio mixer, which you can find within the main OBS interface. The audio mixer is essential because it allows you to manage the sound levels of different audio sources in real time. As you open it up, you'll see sliders corresponding to each of your audio inputs. Take your time to familiarize yourself with these controls, as they are crucial for managing the balance and overall sound quality of your outputs. When you start adjusting the volume within the audio mixer, you might notice some 3 dots next to the audio track. These aren't just decorative. Clicking on them opens up additional options that can significantly improve your audio's quality. Among these options, you'll find filters, which are incredibly useful for tasks such as noise suppression, gain adjustments, or even adding effects like compressors and limiters. These filters help to smooth out your audio, reducing any disruptive background noise that might be present and ensuring your vocal performances are consistent and clear. Next, spend a minute exploring the advanced audio properties. Accessible from the 3-dot menu, this feature lets you deep dive into specific adjustments, like changing the audio monitoring settings or balancing your stereo sound. These advanced properties are perfect for customizing your audio output to suit particular needs, whether you're recording a podcast, creating a video tutorial, or streaming a live session. By leveraging these capabilities, you can maintain a professional sound quality that suits your content's unique demands. And just like that, you're done. By taking these simple yet effective steps in OBS Studio, you set yourself up for high-quality audio output that can take your content to the next level. Remember, the key to mastering audio setup is experimentation and adjustment, so don't hesitate to tweak the settings until you find what works best for you. Keep exploring the tools and features OBS offers, and you'll become more adept at creating engaging, polished audio outputs that captivate your audience. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy streaming.